hopefully that stays. I don't really have anything to set that up against except the bottle of syrup. We'd already opened this and tried it, but I figured I'd do a video because it's freaking delicious and possibly the biggest bag of chips or popcorn I have ever seen. We got it from Sam's Club. It was like $6 and some change. And this is massive. I have tried a lot of other brands of this popcorn. This is delicious. Especially like if you really love like the white cheddar. It's so good. So full of flavor. 50 calories per cup. No GMO.